So here we have this LEGO Minecraft 21248, The Pumpkin Farm. This set has 257 pieces and is recommended for ages 8 and up. It comes with 3 separate bags and an instruction manual. Anyway, this set looks pretty cool, so I'm going to go ahead and build it, and then I'll get back to you with my review. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. That was a pretty fun build. It also looks pretty cool. It comes with 2 minifigures, and first off is Steve. Pretty simple printing on him, nothing too special here. He comes with an enchanted bow and an iron hoe. Then there's the witch, looks pretty cool. Of course, she has short legs and a longer torso. It also comes with a potion. Also, the hat is removable and it fits Steve. Taking a closer look at the set, it's got a couple different sections here. On the left is a mangrove tree. It has vines hanging off it. Right next to that is a carved pumpkin, and that's built onto a blue base plate because this is meant to be in a swamp. There's a couple lily pads and then a gray frog with some frog spawn or frog eggs. Right next to that is a small pumpkin farm with torches on either side. Then there's this chest boat made out of mangrove wood with 2 of these oars. And then opening up the chest, there's an egg and a white stud that's supposed to be sugar. And now taking a closer look at the pumpkin house, of course it's mostly made of orange blocks. There's a nice door in front that you can open up. And this top piece is also removable to get easier access to the inside. You can see there's a fence post on either side to act as a window. Then there's a cyan colored bed, perfect size to lay Steve down in. Then right next to that is a crafting table. Of course, it's made of some different printed pieces. On the other side is a furnace, again made of printed pieces. You can see this side looks like it's on, but if you flip it over to this side, then it looks like it's off, which is pretty cool. And then right on top of that is a pumpkin pie. And then right next to that is a little table with what's supposed to be a frog lamp.